So we'll be revising chapter number 1. Okay, so I'll be giving questions in groups, like 5 questions at a time or 3 questions at a time, and let's see who can solve. Okay, so the first question coming up. Oh, who is screaming at the back?
Don't know, mister.
If someone is screaming or making noise, you guys have to mute your mic automatically so that no one gets disturbed. Okay.
Mr. Full shine support.
Hi, Mr.
What?
Mr. Why said PQ, Mr. Why PQ?
I think you should call shine support
I
because
don't think we have the letters.
Mr. What is this?
Mister, what is PQ?
Mister, but the variables are for chapter 2.
Really?
Yeah.
We don't have it.
Yeah.
Teacher, what's this?
What is this?
هذا شيء عجيب.
But it's
Nah.
easy. It's not that hard. Please.
Okay, let me.
No, but Miss, it's not hard. I can solve it. I can solve it.
But not not everyone. Okay, no problem.
What a waste of writing.
Yeah, we can solve this.
Okay. Okay, this is easy. This is easy.
A little easy. A little easy.
Yeah. No, too easy.
No, 3 easy.
Okay. Too easy. Too easy. Too easy.
3,
I can solve this.
5 easy.
Silence.
Okay.
Okay, next question. Dealing with. Okay.
Nice, Khalifa.
I hope the students are solving in their notebook and not just looking at the screen. Huh?
This is not movie. Take
There
notes.
are some kids. They are
Yes, this
watching.
is a very dangerous movie. So watch at your own risk.
Questions about this movie, so note down everything.
Teacher, can you bring HCF and NCM in big numbers?
Is it related to chapter 1?
Yes.
It's related?
Yes. Related.
Okay, that's good. I'll be
Mister,
bringing. Okay.
Mister, do we have to do this now or answer?
Now, دلوقتي.
Okay.
I'm searching for questions in your PDF, so that's why I might take some time. Okay, question number 3, here we go. Question number Siri.
Mr. I could answer question number 1.
Keep solving. I'll be solving it later. Okay, so just keep it with you.
Okay. So you don't send answers?
No. You don't have to tell me. Once you finish all these 5, send me a photo on WhatsApp private message. Okay, not in group. And in group, you guys are chatting a lot. It disturbs many people. Ismail and Abdullah.
Well, Mister, we were just playing.
No, you can play privately.
Like we were playing quietly. Maybe you should mute.
No, you are not playing quietly. How can you play quietly on WhatsApp?
Mister, you can quiet the notification on Math Lab.
Online.
Wallah, Mister, I'm just joking.
These questions will be
Mr.
very challenging.
Mr. Word and
I cannot understand.
the second one is Mr. Where do I send the answer?
This is Osama, right?
Yes.
Once you solve these on your notebook, take a photo and send me on WhatsApp privately. Okay.
Okay. Do you have a phone number you can send?
You already messaged me yesterday. You already messaged me yesterday. Who
No,
was that?
no, that wasn't
Was it?
my mother.
Oh. Okay. My number. I'm writing my number here.
Okay.
I forgot what was question.
Mr. This is very difficult. Question 3.
Not only question 3, question 4 also. Very beautiful horror.
Beautifully difficult.
I can
Thriller book started.
No, because last week I gave you guys very easy questions. Now this week I cannot give you the same
I
easy
can't see the
questions.
screen.
Guys, it's
Mister.
time to
I
You
can't see
cannot.
the screen.
I'll reshare.
I
Hi,
can see the
Mr.
screen. تعال هنا.
Oh,
Mr.
Muhammad Amir is
I
there.
was late.
Your screen, I don't see.
It's time to be a man, not a kid.
Finally, I can see. Alhamdulillah.
Oh, Yazid is also there.
He
Hello.
finally he corrected his name. It's not
He
now.
corrected his name, but he mentioned Yazid Amir.
Mr.
Amir.
We have the question 4.
Yes, question number 5 I'm trying to give now.
Question 4. Do we have to write the negative or make it positive?
No, this question. No, I'm changing this question. I was thinking something else, but I wrote something else. No. The question is being changed.
Wait. Question 2, I do not understand. Nino فاهم.
Okay, I'll not explain now. I'll wait for some
I'm
time.
answering question number 2.
And the last question, the 5th question, will be
Mr.
related
What happened in the first 15 minutes? Because I wasn't there.
nothing. I just gave these questions.
Oh, only?
Only.
Okay.
I saw question number 2.
You have a cold or what?
So I saw question number 2.
Yeah,
So,
a little sick.
Mister, what kind of question are these?
What kind of question are these?
Yeah,
Yani you have not seen these type of questions before?
I have seen, but looking very, 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 very hard.
Yes, like boss level. Boss music starts
no, it's
playing.
easy. It's easy.
Yeah, just
Muhammad
like
Ali, tell these guys. These are so easy questions. Tell these guys.
Yeah, too easy.
Ah, easy.
I'm question 3.
Mr. Question 2 is complicated.
No, it isn't.
Now we have to solve Mr. Question 3, 4, and 5.
Wait, Mister.
Okay, so these are the 5 questions. I'm
Not answer,
giving.
please. Give us,
Can I see something?
I'm giving like
Sir,
5
in
minutes.
can the answer in question 2 be decimal?
See,
Yeah, it can.
all the things can be decimal, but if you give me fraction also, I'll take it. I don't need decimal like compulsory. No. If you give me the answer in decimal, if it is correct, okay. If you keep it in fraction, that's also okay. I don't mind. Okay. I can accept both of the possible answer, and I'm waiting for the students to send me their solutions.
For the shabab.
Yes, for the shabab.
Question number 3 is so easy. Oh my god. I'm question number 4.
Question number 4, huh?
Yeah.
Good.
I remember this trick, mister. I remember it.
Shabab.
In the last
Shabab.
I finished. I finished the ijaba.
Oh,
all
send
of
me.
them?
I will send. I will ابعت.
Question 4 is so easy. And question number 5 now.
Ismail is there?
I sent you ijaba.
Yes, I am here.
Omar is there?
Yes, I am here, mister.
Yes, yes, I'm here, mister.
And Mu'taz, he has mic?
Yes, Mister, I'm here. I only know
Okay.
question number 1.
No problem. I'll explain the steps for the other question. Don't worry, and you will know the other questions also. Okay.
What's up?
Shabab, all the questions are hard. Only the professor can do, like Professor Ismail Anas and Professor Muhammad Ali Al Rabha and Professor Kais Allah and Professor Abdullah Hamdan and Professor Adam.
You're saying them all, by the way.
Then
Yes,
who is
all the
remaining?
professors.
Then who is remaining? -2 -3 plus 3. First one is wrong for Ahmad
No,
Fuad.
it's
Let
mine.
me see the second one. Second one.
-39, mister.
Don't say, please. Don't say. Don't say.
Second one is correct. Third one is also correct. Fourth one is correct also. And the last one will be, oh yes, last one is also correct. So he just missed the first one. Is sign is wrong. All others
Just
correct.
wait,
So that was a very good attempt by Ahmad Fuad, and I'm waiting for other answers. Jamal sent me
Mister, I
a
sent you.
photo.
I didn't
And
understand 3 and 4 and 5.
so the first one, you did not write any steps. Did you do in calculator or what?
I sent you another.
No, I wrote it in another notebook.
Nana Jamal those. Did you do the first one in calculator?
No, I wrote it in the other notebook. You want me
No,
to
you have
show
to
you?
write the steps in the same place. I need the steps on the same page. Never I'm
Okay.
telling you to do on another page. Okay, show me the steps.
Okay.
And the second one is not correct. You got 12. No. Ahmad Fuad did the correction, and now here we go. And where are other students? Where are your answers?
I was sent
Who
for
was
you.
almost done? Who almost done, mister?
Muhammad Ali, it was very easy for you, but Ahmad Fuad sent before you.
It is very easy. I'm the last one. I'm doing it. I'm the last one. I'm almost done.
I'm true verified professor.
No, you're not.
You cleared the first round only.
Excuse me, Mister. See question 4 and question 5. I solved question 1, 3.
One by one. Yes. What are you saying?
I can't see question 4 and 5. I did 1 and 2 and 3.
Okay, send me the first three. Ismail sent me his solution. Let me check. Let me see. First one is correct. Second one is also correct. Third one is also correct. Third one is wrong. Third one is
Oh
wrong.
my God.
Sign is wrong. Fourth one is correct. Fifth one is correct. So again, four are correct. Question 3, sign wrong. But it was also a nice attempt by him. All other correct. Okay. Yusuf Firas. Let me see.
What is the sign? What's
First
the
one
sign?
is correct. Second one is not correct. Third one is not correct. Fourth one is correct. And the fifth one is correct. So you got 3 correct. And question number 2 and 3 are wrong.
Mr.
Okay, now
Mr. Faiz.
Osama. Rise. You have to wait.
No, I said the answer on your old phone, Mr. I said the answer on the old
Osama,
phone.
where is the date on your page? Please
I'll
write
send
date on
it
the
right
top.
now.
Send the date on the write the date on the top of the page. Okay?
Okay.
Mr. Look at my, I'm shaking right now.
Wait. Now I'm checking.
All of them are
Okay,
wrong.
first one is correct. Second one, 12.5. 12 into 5. What are you writing in the box? Question number 3. 3, no, incorrect. Question number 4, blank. Question 5, blank.
Damn. Insane.
Okay, now Ismail is correct. Okay, I'll solve it now. Just before that,
No,
I'll
look
check.
at me, please. Look at mine, please. Last one, please.
Optional class se? You have written optional class se.
I know.
Is this French? Is this French class going on? Optional class se.
No, Muhammad Ammarra.
The first answer
I
is
sent
wrong.
you my
The second answer is wrong. The third answer is wrong. The fourth answer is correct. The fifth answer is wrong. Only one correct.
What?
I sent you my answer.
Only, I'm checking. Only question 4 correct. Okay. Adam is sending me on my.
I'm too wrong.
Let
I'm
me see.
cutting
First
this
one
paper.
wrong.
I'm cutting this paper.
Adam. Second one is
I'll send
correct.
I sent you it,
Third
Mr.
one is correct. Fourth one is wrong. Fifth one is 248/3 wrong. Oh, so many mistakes. Okay, let me show you the solution. How are we going to solve? Jamal sent me the steps.
Did you see my paper?
I saw your paper. The new paper.
Did I
Okay.
get them right or not?
Some of them. The first one is correct. Not all. Now I'll show you the steps. Now, class.
By the way, Mr. On question 2, I just guessed that I had no explanation.
No problem. I'll show you. See the purpose of this class is to learn what we don't know. Yes? The purpose of this class is not to get demotivated. Oh, I don't know this. No. This is not my target, okay? My target is, if you know this, very well. If you don't know, we have to learn. Right? So some guys got some answers correct. Some guys did not get correct. No need to get worried. We'll be learning how to tackle these type of issues. Okay. Now, in question number 1, we can see multiple signs. We can see negative, we can see addition, we can see multiplication. So when we have many operations in one line, what is the thing that we are going to do? Who can tell me?
We do the bid mass.
Yes.
Because I made it wrong.
With mass.
And I'll call it BODMAS because this is how I learned. And it's the same thing, BIDMAS, BODMAS, whatever. So
No,
the
teacher,
first thing is bracket.
not O.
That's
I.
what I'm saying.
Yeah.
I learned BODMAS. That's what I'm saying. You
Mister,
can write
your
order
mic
for
is
I.
cutting out.
If you guys want I, it is indices.
Or
If you guys
exponent.
want E, it is exponent. It's up to
Yeah.
Wait.
you.
What is order?
Order is indices. This.
What is indices? Oh, I call it
Cube of
power. I
four.
call it power. I call it
Barakallah
power.
feekum.
Mr. Exponent. I call it exponent.
I call it power.
Me too.
Division, multiplication, and addition and
Addition,
subtraction, right?
Yes.
Addition and subtraction.
Multiplication.
So when we have so many operations, we follow this order. That means we will do the brackets first, then we will go for index or exponent, then we will go for division, multiplication, and last addition and subtraction. Okay, so let's use this rule in question number 1. Okay, let's
I
see.
made at the end a mistake. I made at the end a mistake.
So that means we have multiplication here. That means this has to be solved first. You cannot solve, this. No, it will be wrong. Okay, that will be wrong. If you solve this one, this will be wrong. This will be right. Okay, this will be correct. So let's
Mister,
start.
but there is 2 brackets, -8 minus 3.
Okay, there are 2 brackets, but see, if you have to solve inside the bracket, what will you solve in -8? -8 is -8.
Mister,
But if you have something like this, or if you have something like this, then you can solve this. Yes, but
Yes.
-8,
Yes.
what will you solve in -8? -8 is an integer. You cannot solve it further. That means we will go for
Multiplication.
this part. Yes, that is multiplication. So 5 multiplied by, before that, Jamal, what you were saying?
I said, Mister, I think I done the steps wrong, because I minus the 2 and 5.
So that's why I'm saying you have to remember the BODMAS rule. Otherwise, you will mess things up and you will make mistake. Okay?
Okay.
Is my voice lagging?
Kind
No.
of.
Little bit.
But
No,
you guys
No,
can-
mister.
But you guys can understand something, or it's very lagging?
لا, it's
No,
not
it's
No, we
lagging.
cannot.
It's not correct.
It's
It's,
not lagging.
Okay,
it's like
okay, let's continue. So I'll write -2 here.
equal -40.
No. See, you guys, you don't have to write -40 and forget other things. You have to write -40 and you have to write other things also. And now what will happen here? Adnan, what will happen here in the yellow area?
Plus.
What do you think?
Plus.
Plus, yes. Can you explain why will I write plus?
Because minus and minus will be plus.
Yes, we will merge them. So minus and minus will become plus. And now this is a very easy operation. This is minus plus. So -42 plus 3, you will get -39. Okay.
But Mister, addition is first.
Okay. Now
Well,
see, when you are left with addition and subtraction, you can go for whatever. It will not create a different
Okay.
answer. Okay.
Okay.
Minus plus, you can go for whatever. But when you have minus and multiplication, then you cannot go for subtraction first. Okay.
Yes.
So those guys who got -39, very well, very good. Those who did not get
I got
-39,
-39.
please write these steps in your notebook. Please write these steps all. Write this.
Mister, I got.
But
I
Mister,
got,
I wrote the steps wrong, but I got the same answer.
So a teacher
Mister,
like
I got
me would
24.
have given you only half mark. Okay. Next
Mister, I
one.
got 24.
24.
And the first, yeah.
No.
Do you know what I did? I
No,
did
no.
-8 multiply -8 minus 3. Then +5.
+5. I
Yeah,
wrote
like,
multiply by 5.
No, +5. And from the left, I did it without BODMAS.
But now you
because I
understood?
didn't,
But now you understood?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Now coming back, question number 2. guys, please take care in these type of questions. What will be the technique? What are they asking? I'll tell you first. They are asking that if you multiply this number by this number and multiply by this number, we should
give
get
you
minus
minus
400. Okay, this is what they are asking. Now the way to solve these type of questions is, first of all, you have
Divide.
to multiply the available numbers that are on one
16
side.
multiply 16
What are
multiply
available
minus
numbers?
2.
16 and
multiply
minus 2.
16 multiply minus 2 equal
So
minus
16
32.
multiplied
Minus
by
36.
minus 2 will give you what?
Minus 36.
Minus 32.
Minus 36, Abdullah Hamza.
Minus 32.
Minus 32. Okay. And this minus 32 will be used to divide by this number. Okay. This
I
is
made
the
like
step.
this, Mr. I made like this. I got wrong.
So if you do like this, you will get 12 and a half. This will be the correct
I
Yeah,
like this.
This will
I
be the
got this.
correct answer.
You told
Or
me wrong,
25
Mr.
over 5.
Or
I
25 over
wrote
2.
12 only.
If
Mr.
you
I
will
made it 12.5. You said wrong.
Where?
In my question.
I said it's wrong.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, it's 12.5.
Wait,
Yeah, you told me wrong.
Negative 32 divided by negative
Your,
400
in your
is
answer, you have written 25. You have written 25. I'll
I
send your
got
photo in the
12.
group.
I
I'll bring it on
got
the screen.
12.5 and I got 25. I got 12.5.
I'll bring it. This is your answer, yeah, mister. Yes. What do you see? Mr. Faiz is wrong, huh? Mr. Faiz is wrong.
I got 12.5. I got 12.5.
What is this? 25. Masalama. It's very difficult to mess with me.
But why did I put 25? I got 25.
Yeah. Okay, going to the third one. Third one is very, very easy. Very, very easy. There are two ways of doing this. First way is multiply all the above numbers, then simplify by the denominator. Okay, that will give you minus 70 over 280. You will simplify 0, 0, you will get minus 1 over 4. This is one way of doing. Another way of doing is simplifying at this step directly. So if you simplify 7 and 280, I will not tell the second way, but otherwise the students might be confused. I'll tell this system again. Now, what do you see on the top? Three numbers. Minus 7,
Yes.
5 and 2. If you multiply them, you will get minus 70, correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Minus 70 on top and 280 below. Now, can the zeros be cancelled? The last zeros?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, they can be
No.
cancelled. What? No, we
Yes,
can cancel.
equal-
The last zero we
Equal
can
4.
cancel.
Equal 4. Teacher, equal 4.
No, no,
I
one
thought
upon
you can
four.
only cancel the bottom one.
No, the bottom 10 will cancel the top 10. Now we are left with 7 and 28. Now in the table of 7, 28 arrives
4. Yes.
Yeah.
at
Yes.
4th position. So the
Yes,
answer
minus
will
4.
be, what will be the final answer? Minus 4.
1
Yes,
over
Abdullah
4.
Hamza?
Negative 1 over
Yes,
4.
minus 4.
Negative 1 over 4.
No. Minus 1 over 4.
How?
Yeah.
What?
Where is
Why?
where is 280? At the
280.
bottom or at the top?
Bottom.
Bottom.
So 4 will come at the top or bottom?
Ah.
Wait. Can you repeat, please?
I understand.
70 on top, 280 bottom, 0, 0 gone. Yes?
Okay. Yes.
Now in the table of 7, 7 comes at first position.
Okay.
In the table of 7, 28 comes at 4th position. So 1 upon 4 minus.
But
Yes,
Mr. I divided them. I made long division. I got 4.
No, if you do long division, okay, I got your mistake. What you are doing this. Yes?
Yes.
No. This
Why?
is the thing that you have to do.
Oh.
Because whatever is there at the down comes outside.
Yeah,
and the
up will be inside.
Yes.
So
So
up inside
either
the-
in decimal your answer will be minus 1
0.25.
over 4, or if you are giving me your answer in decimal, your answer will be
Negative 0.25.
0.
yes, negative
Yeah, negative
0.25. Okay,
negative quarter.
negative quarter, negative ruba, whatever you say. Okay, next question. Osama, are you getting, or am I running very fast today? Maybe I'm running very fast today. Because last week we already revised these things, so that's why I'm rushing today a lot. Now, this question, I think the easiest question. I think this was the easiest
Yeah,
question.
Mr.
Yes.
You gave us
Yes.
this last week.
A similar question
Sir,
I gave
I
last week. Now, what is the square root
Yeah.
of
Sir, I
400?
20.
20.
4
Plus
over
minus
20.
20.
4 over
Plus
20.
minus 20.
4 over
Plus-
Yeah,
20.
plus minus 20.
Minus 20.
Equal 1 over 5, and in the decimal equal 0.5.
No. No. Not
Mr. I got 4
0.5.
over 5.
4 over
No.
5.
Equal 4 over 5.
In fraction, it will
Yeah.
be 4 over 5, or in decimal, it will be 0.8.
Yeah.
Both are correct.
Yes.
Silence in the class.
I got 4 over 5.
Silence.
No,
Me too.
I got 4 over 5. I got 4 over 5.
I got
Should I-
silent, like a silent movie.
I got 0.5.
for me.
I'll
And
explain
the
one
only
more
correct
time.
question.
I'll explain one more time what is happening in this question. 16, do we have a square root on it?
No.
No.
No. So 16 will remain 16, no changes. But
Yeah.
400 has a square root.
Have.
Yes? So
Mister,
we learned, see, when I'm explaining, please, I request you guys not to interfere when I'm speaking. Otherwise, I'll be muting all the mics. Once I finish the explanation, then you can put up your question. But when I'm speaking, I have to shout because you guys are talking in between. Clear?
yeah.
Okay, now let me complete the steps what I was saying, that 16 will not undergo any changes, but 400 we learned last week and last week and last week that 400 square root will be not only 20 but minus 20 as well, yani plus minus 20. Yes?
Yes.
So we will
Yeah.
get 16 upon 20. And can we simplify 16 and 20 by the table of 4? Yes, we can.
Yeah.
In the table of
4
4,
over
16 comes at what position?
4.
4. 20 comes at
5.
5.
5 position. And we have plus minus.
But Mr. This thing that is plus minus with the square root or cube root doesn't matter with our teacher.
Mister, this is easy.
Then
Mister, I can't
then
see
the
the
teacher
screen.
then the teacher has to tell you this. This is a carelessness from the side of teacher. Okay? Yes.
Okay.
And the plus minus does not come in cube root. It does not come. It comes only in square root. Take care. You cannot say that cube root of 8 is plus minus 2. No, you cannot say this. Why? Who can explain?
Wow.
Who can explain? But
Mister,
square root of 16 will be plus minus
Mister.
4.
Plus minus
Who
4.
can
Because
explain?
it's to the power 3. Because it's to the power 3.
Okay, but why? I'm asking
Oh,
why.
I know why.
Yeah, because
Why?
it's always negative. Always.
No,
Mister,
it's not
because
always.
if-
It's not always negative.
Because Mister, can I add
Mister, I can't see the screen.
You cannot see the screen.
Leave and rejoin.
Let me
Because
reshare my
if we
screen
have-
because I think the problem is with you only. But no problem. I'll share my screen. I will stop and reshare.
Mister,
Okay.
because
Now I'm resharing one more time.
Mister, because in the cube there is and you can multiply it by 3, so the answer will not be positive negative.
Nah. Who else? Who else? I did not. I mean, I did not have a satisfactory answer.
Mister?
Sir, on the 8, it will equal to
One.
1, right?
No.
Or am I
Mister, maybe
wrong?
because it's three numbers, so it could be plus and minus.
No. Adnan, your explanation.
Mr. Because like if we have minus 2 to the power 3, we'll write minus 2 multiply minus 2 multiply minus 2. Minus minus will be plus, and plus minus will be minus.
Okay. So,
So it will
but what about
become
but
not
what about but
it
what
will
about
become
this?
one answer.
What about this? What about this plus minus? Why we have two signs here?
Because this is in the to the power 2, not 3. To the
Okay,
power 2 we'll
explain.
get like minus 2 multiply minus 2.
Okay, Khalas, you are finished or you want to add something more?
Yes, I finished.
Anyone else?
But teacher,
Mister, can you help me?
16 over 400 will give us 4 over 20.
Why?
When we simplify it, it will give
No,
us 4 over 5.
square root on 16?
No,
Or we have square root only on 400?
Only on
no,
400.
only in 400.
That's why only 400 will be changed to 20, but 16 will remain 16. That's why I cancel 16 and 20. That's why I gave you a tricky
Stop.
question.
I think
Now let me
think I
explain. Now
got the.
let me
I think
explain.
I think I got the it. If we divide it by 3, it will equal to 2. If we just simplify the 2, it will equal to 1. And if you add the 3, it will equal to 4.
No, I'm saying if you have a square root of something, you are getting two values. Listen, class.
Yeah.
But if you are finding cube root of something, you are getting only one value. What is the reason behind this? This is my question. In square root, we have two values. In cube root, we have only one value. Why is this?
Let me think.
Wait, Mr.
What, Mister?
Value, what? How can you get two values in square? What do you mean like 2?
Always it is happening. Whenever I give you a square root number inside, you will get two values, plus and minus. Yes?
Wait, if I had the square root of 16, I will get 8 multiplied by 8, like that?
No, 8 multiply 8 is 16. MashaAllah, go home.
No,
and cry.
no. I meant
64.
4 multiply 4.
64.
No. Did you guys understand my question or not?
No, I didn't
No, I
understand.
understand.
Yes, Mister, I
My
understand.
question. Now listen
I
one
don't
more time.
understand.
Listen to my question. If you have square root of something, you are getting two answers.
Yeah.
But if you have cube root of something, you get
One
only
answer.
one answer. Why is the reason? I'm asking why. What is the reason
Mister, I
for
think I
this?
know. I think I know.
Yes, explain.
Okay, because in the cube root you always multiply 3 times, or it will be 3 numbers, so it can be like minus and plus, just one value.
Okay, what if my question was minus 64 or minus 8? Let me give a small number.
Equal minus 2.
Cube root of minus 8. How many answers will it have?
Minus 2. Only one.
One answer only?
Only one.
Yeah.
Why not?
Because Mister, I know the answer. I know why.
Okay, give a try.
Because when you have 3 numbers, you can get different answers.
Yeah.
Can you explain by an example?
Wait,
What do you mean?
Like for example, if it was a high number, and you can just change the numbers and you can get a different answer.
We cannot change the number because in the cube, all the numbers should be same. You cannot multiply 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 4 is 2 cube.
Mister, can I say?
I am still waiting for
Mister,
a
can
student
I?
who will give me a satisfactory answer. Yes, try.
Mister, can I?
Okay, Smile, go ahead.
Because in a cube, if we have negative, the answer will be only negative. And if we have positive, the answer will be only positive.
Okay. What about square?
لا square يعني plus minus we will put, but in the cube we will not put, because then because in square we can't make negative.
Your cube explanation was correct, but your square explanation is not proper. Now let me explain to the whole class, because I explained this reason multiple times previously, and still I did not get a satisfactory answer for both the questions. So that means the students either did not understand, or maybe they understood but they forgot. Okay, now I am explaining one more time. Pay very close attention, because this is very important thing. I'll repeat my question one more time. I am saying whenever we do a square root of a number, we get two values, yes, plus minus kaza something. But when we do cube root, we get only one value. Yes, we don't get plus minus. What is the reason? The reason is, I'll explain here. Yes, everyone is paying attention, because this is very tricky thing.
Yes.
Okay, now just for a moment think. You have square root of 9. What are the possible ways you can get 9? By multiplying the number by itself. What are the possible ways? One way is 3 multiplied by 3. It will give me 9.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
one way is minus 3 multiplied by minus 3. Okay? Both of them will give me 9. Yes?
If you told me this from the beginning, I would answer it.
But how
Me
many
too.
times I explained the question, and now you are acting as if. But
No,
for
I know,
cube root,
because
cube
minus minus plus minus minus.
But for cube root, there is only one possible combination.
Yeah.
Only
Yes.
without.
I mean like this. I mean like this, but you don't understand me.
But only Ismail explained this negative part for cube root. But for square
I was
root,
absent that
he could
class. I
not.
was absent.
Oh, I get it now. Okay.
Okay. So that means if we have square root 25, so by how many ways we can get 25? There are two ways of getting 25. What are the ways?
Yeah. Minus 5 multiply minus 5 and 5 multiply 5.
Yes, this is what I'm saying. So how many answers did you got? We got two answers. 5 and minus 5.
2.
That's why to combine these two answers, we write like this.
It didn't be minus.
Did I tell you this concept last week or not? You guys?
Yes.
I told it.
I don't remember.
You can
No.
watch the video.
No, you told
I don't know.
You can watch the video.
In the class, class.
Yes, you can
I
check
don't
the last
remember.
division class. Okay, so this
Mister,
was
we
the
want
answer.
Questions. We want a question.
Now,
Mister,
no, but I
is
didn't
the
solve the
answer
last
here
one.
682.6?
Which
Because
one?
it's so complicated.
Which one?
The last one.
Last one I'm solving now. A cube root of 8 will be only 2. Okay, 2 multiplied by what is the square root of 16 plus minus 4?
I forgot to do the cube root. Oh, no.
Huh? By 3.
Yeah?
So you will get plus minus 8 by 3. Yes.
Mister, do you know what I did?
That's the
I
answer.
didn't know that.
That's the answer, and I think no one mentioned these plus minus in their answer. I think even Ismail did not mention plus
Mr.
minus.
Wallah, I put.
And if you want to give me in decimal, you will get 2.
1.26
forever. Okay, this will be the answer.
Mister,
Clear?
do you know what I did? I didn't do the cube root. I did the not root, only cube. Like 8 cube, I got 512 multiply 4.
512.
Yeah, Mister, here I was so confused. I'm sick.
Yeah. Mister.
Okay. Mister,
Hello.
Mister, connected?
Hmm.
Okay, Mister, now you. complete.
We want the questions.
Yeah, Mister. We are hungry for questions.
You are hungry?
Yes,
Okay.
I want to eat them.
Okay, students, please make sure you have written these steps because the other questions will be
Wait, Mister.
helping. These steps will help you if you note down these steps. Okay, so I request everyone to write all the steps from my screen so you guys know that what are the proper steps to do these things. And if you have any
Mister,
doubt
we want
now, you can ask me in whatever question you have doubt, because now I will be giving you 5 more questions and some time to solve. Okay, so I can proceed.
Yeah.
Mister, we want HCF and LCM like this.
Yes, I'll give
Yes,
now
yes, yes.
HCF and LCM also.
Mister.
But
Now.
Mr.
What?
Muhammad Ali was talking.
These are kids. Sorry for disturbing.
No.
No,
Mister,
you-
last lesson we took with the teacher that we are taking in the class, we took the Bidmas lesson or Budmas. Yeah, that's it.
Last thing he was taking
Prime factor.
Yeah, the
SDF and the
arithmetic.
LCM.
The prime factor and the Bidmas.
mathematical, something like this, mathematical.
Yeah, and we took something like a tower of like we took it last year. I don't remember.
Mister, it's called, I think, arithmetics, mathematicals, known
Yeah.
answers. Yeah, I think like this.
Yeah, and prime numbers.
Yeah, prime numbers.
Prime numbers are easy.
Now talk.
Mr. is silent. Hard questions are coming. Inshallah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we took
Our right is a black color because black is the best color.
Mister, we took mathematical facts.
Okay.
It is شوية صعب.
مرة صعب.
Wait, Mr. It's so easy, Mr. What is this?
It's so easy.
Yeah.
لا, not the question. I mean the mathematical facts.
All easy. Oh, what? Okay.
What
Where's Muhammad Omar? Wait for you. Where's Muhammad Omar?
Area of
Muhammad Omar.
square
of
No.
Side
side
length.
12.5.
12.5
What is the area?
How could I know?
From
Easy.
your dimag.
Oh, last question. Okay, I remembered. Okay. Area.
Yes.
Mister, the answer of question 7 is 125.
Hey!
No, just kidding. It's the wrong answer, by the way. It's not the right answer.
Too funny.
Start solving question number 1.
Okay. No, Mister, it's question number 6.
And if the units will be missing, I'll count that question as incorrect if you will send me now without units in my WhatsApp. So you have to pay attention on the units. What is unit? What is unit?
Like millimeter, meters.
Yes. Who is confused in units?
Not me. No, not me.
You.
I know.
2, 3, 2. Multiply 2, 3, 2.
Teacher, is it the Horon in India?
Yes. Beep beep.
It's like in Egypt.
How you know Egypt? Have you been to Egypt or what?
No,
No, Mister, from the
my
مسلسلات.
dad. Yeah, مسلسلات.
From what?
مسلسل
from مسلسلات. From the serial, huh? Series.
Serious.
Yeah.
And I have seen some Egyptians were watching comedy show. It's like on a stage. Yani they are performing live, and so many people are watching live. I think it is also famous in Egypt. They are performing on a theater. It's
Yeah.
like a stage. People are
Yes, Mr.
doing drama here, and people are sitting here. It is very famous, I think, in Egypt. This type of concept.
Yeah, and sometimes they make like this in Saudi Arabia in National Day.
Okay.
Teacher, you give us only one number and all the our sentence.
Mister, I finished question 6.
No, other also have number. See, number is here. Number is here.
All the questions are easy.
All the questions are easy.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe.
I don't really think
Maybe.
Maybe wala baby. Ha. So bad.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Too funny, I forgot to laugh.
It's too funny. I forgot to laugh. Oh, Mr. Omar being savage.
Savage, we like. Question number 6 is easy, but takes so much time.
Yeah.
I'm still in question number 6.
To make it easy, you can give me the answer to one decimal place. This one.
What do you mean?
Those guys who know this, okay. If you don't know, I'll explain later.
Oh, 100.
DP is decimal place, okay. If you guys know, very good. If you don't know, I'll explain, but not now.
Yeah, 232 multiply 232 multiply 232, then we will replace
Wait, Muhammad Amir. You don't have to explain the method. You have to wait, okay?
Yeah.
And question number 10, I'll bring something like LCM of very huge number, like
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
HCF.
The number is starting.
Find HCF. In grade 6, you learned GCF. And I was telling you, in whole life, you have to use this HCF. Because this is the British terminology. But GCF, I think, is the American terminology word. GCF.
I'm stuck in question number 6.
But it's the same thing. And highest common factor, greatest common factor. It's basically the same thing.
Just changing the F and the H.
Yes. 250 and
Mr. Question 8, I didn't understand.
Okay, those of the questions that you understand. Okay, if you don't understand, I'll explain once I finish the solution for the previous questions.
Okay. MashaAllah, I'm still stuck in one question. So sorry.
Abdul Asif, are you solving?
Yes, Mr. Faiz Rahman.
But you did not send me any photo.
Now I will send.
Where is your photo for question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5?
I'll send you right now. But first, let me complete this question number 6, 7, 8, 9.
Teacher, if I don't know the answer of the question, I leave it?
Yes, you leave it. Keep a blank and leave a space. So when I solve it later, you can note down the steps. Okay, I'll be back in 10 minutes, inshallah, after my salah. Okay.
Okay.
And those of you who finish, and those of you who finish your answers from question number 6 to question number 10, send me the photo. And if you are missing any question, like question you are unable to solve, leave a blank and send me photo of the remaining questions. Okay. And please mention question number 6 as question number 6. Don't mention question number 6 as question number 1. Last week you guys were changing the number. No, question number 6 is 6, 7 is 7. So keep that number. Okay, I'll be back shortly, inshallah. Aywa. I got some photos. How many of you have sent me? Ismail. أنا space على محمد أمير. Yes. Who is still doing? Allow mics. Allow mics. Yes. Who is still doing?
Mr.
I
Easy.
made them all except 8. I did them all except 8.
All
Yeah, me
except
too,
8.
mister.
I'll send a photo now.
I sent the photo, mister, all of the answers without question 8. I didn't understand.
Mr. Wee.
Question 8 is so easy.
I
but
don't
Question
do
6 is
I don't do 8 and 10.
I
6
did
is 12, but
all of
easy.
them except 6.
6 is 12, but
I did all
very easy.
because I didn't understand 6. I didn't attend that.
I did question. I made them all except.
Question
except
6 is
7.
12.48.
I meant 8.
So that means
Wait, I think 7 is wrong. I think 7 is wrong.
Question 6 equal 12.4871.
487.
now
8.
let me solve. Okay, because I have
Okay.
so many photos. I cannot go on each photo one by one. So the thing is,
Okay.
now we will solve. Now 2.32 cube is given and it's written to one decimal place. What does that mean? That comes in the second part of the story. The first thing is we have to do this multiplication. That means what we have to do? We have to do multiplication. How? Same. 2.32 multiply by 2.32 multiply by 2.32. You have to do these multiplication first. How? Same like we do long multiplication or regular multiplication. So
Yeah, so a high
2.32
number.
and 2.32.
Like 232 multiply 232 multiply 232.
Yeah, mister, I did the 232 multiply or 232 cube. Then I replaced the decimal. Without the decimal, it's I think 12 million like this or 100
12
million.
million. 12 million.
Yeah, 12 million. I only put numbers, so it will be without putting millions.
So here you are going to get 4,
6.
1, 2, 3, 4. This is the first multiplication. Let me check. 5.384. Okay. Then this comes on top because we have to multiply one more time. Yes, this is how you guys did.
Wait, my answer is completely.
No, mister, not like.
I did like this.
Yeah. I made 2 first. I made 2, then I made the answer.
But mister, I made it 200. I multiplied them all by 100.
So in the final answer, did you put the decimal or
wait.
not?
Wait, my answer is wrong.
Mister,
I got 1.754368. Mister, what is questions for grade 9, Mister? Those.
No, grade 6 question.
For grade 5.
Not grade 1. Not grade 5.
Maybe my answer is correct. Maybe my answer is correct.
Mister, I say for you because I don't understand number 6 because I wasn't with you in that week.
No problem. Now
I
I'll
was
be
in the
solving.
hospital.
No problem. I'll be solving, and you can check out the proper steps. Okay. So 8 comes here. 4 and 2 6.
6.
8 and 14 15
6, 1,
21
7,
2
8.
7 and 1 8
1,
7,
7, 8,
14
4,
4.21.
a point, 1, 2, 2, 1.
Oh my God.
1 2
12
3 4
million.
5 6
My answer is completely
Yeah,
wrong.
12,487,168.
Yes,
And,
yes.
and in the
This
decimal,
is too hard.
12.48.
I just
Listen,
got
listen.
12.48.
Listen. When you multiply these three numbers, you are going to get this huge answer. Yeah, right?
Yeah.
12.487168. And I mentioned, now comes the second part of the story. I want the answer in one decimal place. Okay, now what is this? I'll explain now. I want silence in the class. So we got this answer. Okay, 12 point something, very big. Now I want only one decimal place. That means left of decimal, okay, but on the right of decimal, I only need one digit. That means I have to
Round.
remove, yes, round, very good. We have to round all these things. So what is the first number? That will only decide everything. Is it greater than 5 or less than 5?
Yeah,
Greater.
It is greater than 5. So this 4 will change to
55.
one more. Yes, change to 5. So what will be the final answer?
12.5.
12.5. Khalas. This is the final answer, and your question is solved.
Mr. Is it like,
Okay.
can we make 232 like the cube root of 232 is 12.5?
Cube root of
232.
Cube root
No,
of
not
232.
I made it 232, Mister. I made it 232.
Mr. The answer that I got was 12.4.
Muhammad Amir, I'm asking you something else and you are giving me something else. Why you are going
Yeah,
to
I
cube
know,
root
but
of 232? There is no need for
yeah,
that.
because there
You
was
are
there was three numbers of 232 or
no.
a cube 232 or
No.
232.
Sometimes you are confusing yourself without any reason. There is no need to go to a different path. I did not tell you that.
Okay.
So if your answer, Jamal, if you got some sort of this answer, 23.71249, and I'm telling you give the answer to 2 decimal place, Jamal, what will be your answer?
2.
What 2? If this is my answer and I want to round it to 2 decimal place, what will be the final answer?
It will equal to 20.
I want only 2
23.
decimal places. I want only 2 decimal places. So how can I remove 249? What is the procedure to remove 249? Badar, can you tell?
We will
Or Jamal, you are answering? Or should I pass to Badar?
give it to Badr, Mr.
Badar, give it a try. If we round this number to 2 decimal places, what will be the final answer?
23 point. We will do it rounding.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking. You will do rounding. So after rounding, what will you get finally?
23.10.
No. The question passes to Adam.
Then Hamad. Ahmed Fouad.
No, then Muhammad Ali. Then Muhammad Ali.
Adam.
Inshallah.
Mr. Adam is not here.
Yes.
Oh no, he is here.
Then Egypt 7.
If Adam is not there, Umar. Question goes to Umar if Adam is not responding.
If Amma is not responding.
Then goes to Motas.
Then
Yeah,
if
Amar,
not
it's
is
very useful.
Then goes to Qaisala if not responding.
No, what Qais Ala, Mr. Me?
Yes, exact.
Qais Ala no more than.
So Adam is responding.
Mister, it
No,
will
Qais
be
had just
Qaisala, no, not now. Not now. You are after 3 guys. Not now.
oh,
Wait.
Mr. Adam is not here.
Adam is not responding. Question goes to Omar.
Umar is not
Now
here.
me.
No, Mr. Me, I don't understand.
Omar is not there. Question goes to Mu'taz.
Mu'taz is here, but he don't respond.
Mister, I think I got the answer.
Okay.
It will equal to 23 point 23 decimal 71 decimal not decimal 71 and we will have to half the 249.
No. We don't have to half it.
What is
No.
this?
Qaisala, go for it.
it is 23.7 or 7.
7?
Yeah.
Bro.
No,
Now
incorrect.
it goes to me. Now it goes to me, right?
Okay, Muhammad Ali, give it a try. Fine.
Yeah, it will be. The answer will be 23.71.
Yes, his answer is correct. Why?
Because you want it
Qaisala,
the second
I'm
decimal.
asking you, Qaisala, I'm asking you 2 decimal place. I'm not asking you 1 decimal place.
Oh.
I want 1 and 2. I want 2 positions. Not 3 position, not 4 position, not 5 position. I want 2 positions only.
Because I don't understand the decimal position.
Now you understand?
Yeah.
Now you understand? If in the exam they ask you give 2 decimal place, so you have to focus on the 2 numbers. If they ask you 3 decimal place, you have to focus on the 3 decimals. Now,
I understand.
okay? So,
Yeah. But Mister,
What?
you didn't make round.
I will tell you. I am going to tell you now.
We did.
We took the 2 numbers and the third one we will decide whether it is greater than 5 or less than 5. It is less than 5. So this one will not change. Will not change. So what will be the answer? 23.71. That's all.
7-1.
But Mr.
Clear?
I have a trouble in question like this question and after it. Question 8.
Okay, I'll give you one more rounding. For example, you got 129 point.
Not for rounding.
No. For others also, I want to give this question. You got this number, okay? And you
For
have
which
to give the
decimal?
answer.
Which decimal position?
I'm writing to 2 decimal places.
Okay.
Okay. So what do you think will be the answer? No, not now. New guys. Let me see who is there online.
Me, Mr.
Mr.
Ali,
Me.
didn't-
Let me see.
You have
Ismail,
Yusuf.
no. Muhammad Ali, no.
Mr. Me.
Ahmed Fawad didn't answer for the past 1 hour, I think. So we should give him chance to give the answer. After that, Yusuf. عشان انت تعبان وسبا هنا موجود.
I don't think Ahmed will give a chance to Yusuf.
Okay, let's see. What's your answer?
129.237, I think.
Bruh.
Wait,
You are giving me 3 decimals. You are giving me 1, 2, 3 decimal.
9.23. Please, I'm asking.
No. It's chance went. Oh my god.
Now, Yusuf, go for it.
Yeah, Yusuf, yeah, you got this.
Okay. So 129.23, and after rounding, it will be 129.237.
Bruh.
لا no.
The answer is 129.24.
129.24
Yeah,
is the
24.
correct answer. Very
Yeah,
good.
yeah. So
Why?
easy.
Who can explain? Muhammad Ali, explain to the whole
Muhammad
class
Ali.
in Arabic.
Okay,
Mr. Muhammad,
because we did
In Arabic.
we studied
In Arabic.
لما أخذنا rounding بgrade 6 we knew that 5 و 4 it will be 1 plus.
Da English.
Now 4 and down it will be 0. So 37 you round it will be 40. So
See,
it will be
Yusuf.
40.
You have to
Mr. I
catch.
didn't take rounding in grade 6.
See, no problem. See, that what is the technique? If they are telling you 2 decimal, make a lock here. Okay, lock these 2 digits and focus on the digit that is next to the block, to the box. What about 7? Is 7 greater than 5 or less than 5?
Greater.
Greater. That means these things will go, but 3 will be increased by 1. So it will become 4. Should I
Also,
repeat?
it's just like adding 1.
Adding 1 when the right side is greater than 5. But if the right side is not greater than 5, you will not add 1, you will keep it as it is. Let's suppose the question was 129.231108. Okay? Now, if you make block here, what is the next number?
1. It's less than 5, so we
Is
will
this
not add
less than
anything.
5? So your final answer will be 129.23. That's it. Is it clear now?
Yes, Mr.
Mister, I want to ask you a question.
Okay, now, what if?
Can I ask this question, Mister?
Yes.
Can you go to the right, the last thing you wrote?
Yes.
If the question was 129.231108 and the decimal position is 5 numbers.
If the decimal position is 5 number in the same question, okay, let's see. The number given to us is 231108. Okay, and he's asking 5 decimal places, right? Which will not come in the exam, but since he has asked, let me answer. That means we have to make box on the first 5 digits, right? So let's make a box.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1,
Okay.
1.
Now look at the number next to the box. Is it greater than 5?
Yeah, greater.
Greater than 5. That means this left number will be increased by 1. So what will be the final thing? 129.23111. That's all. This will be the answer.
Wow.
Mr.
Clear?
I have a question, Mr. I didn't understand question 7 and question 8 at the beginning.
I'm going. But before that, I want the students to understand the rounding concept.
Yeah,
Because these questions will come in the exam. So if you will write so big answer, it will be so huge. If you will write this so big answer. Okay. So you have to give your answer in rounding. Okay. Let me give one more last question for rounding. And then I will go back to my original questions. Okay. This question, Abdullah Asif is there or he left?
Abdullah. He left, I think. Yeah, he left.
Yeah,
Okay.
he left.
If the question was 47.298 29018. Okay, and I want to 2 decimal places. So what will be the final answer?
Can I answer?
Whoever can answer.
Can I answer instead?
47.29.
47.29.
47.29. If I make a slight change in the question, I ask you, give me the answer to 1 decimal place. What will be the answer?
47.3.
47.3.
Very good. I think the class understood now the concept.
Fastest.
I think the class
Mister, it's
understood.
double.
Double is double kill. No. Triple kill.
And if it was 3 decimal places, what will be the answer?
47. No, it will be 47.29. Same.
47.290.
If it was
47.290, yes, it's the same. And these two are same thing.
Yes.
And
Very good.
if it
Because
was
zero at the last.
So now you guys understood that
Yes.
if in these type of questions they are asking 1 decimal place, actually you have to perform the whole thing. You have to do this long multiplication and then you have to do this long multiplication. But only when you get the final answer, you have to round it. Okay. Now, okay, in the same answer, let me ask, if we are rounding to 1 decimal place, what will be the final answer?
12.3.
1.
12.
0.4.
No.
0.4.
12.5.
12.5.
Oh, 12.
0.5.
Oh, 5.
Because we make a block on 4 and look at the right number.
Yeah,
Yes,
so
yes,
12.5.
Okay. Now,
Right.
if the same number we are rounding to 2 decimal place, what will be the answer?
12.48.
12.5.
12.9.
49.
No, 12.49. 12.49.
Salah,
Yeah.
Salah is the first one who gave the correct answer,
No,
12.49.
Adnan.
He didn't.
No,
None?
Muhammad Ali went first. I said 12.49.
Not
Yeah,
you.
Mr. Me too.
Not you.
Me.
No, I
But
said
Adnan was the
Adnan,
first.
not Qais.
Adnan was the first. Adnan was the first. See,
No.
what is the
Yeah.
technique? What is the technique? I asked you 2 decimal
Only
places, correct?
Mr. Round the left number of the
That
decimal
means
place.
make a box and
Yeah,
look at
and
this
the right
number.
number
So,
will
70.
round the left number.
What it will be 49. Okay, if you round the number
Yeah.
to 4 decimal places, what will happen?
For 12.4872.
Very good. Other students, did you get the answer?
Yes.
Yes,
If you want to round to 4
Mister.
decimal place, make a box 4 and look at the next number. What do you think?
It's greater than
It
than
will
five,
be
so we'll add
12.48.
You will. It is greater than 5, so you will add 1 here. Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, and
This
it
is
will be
12.4872. It will be the final
If it
answer.
was
I
5,
think.
it will be 12.4871. 7. Yeah, that's it.
2 also. 7 2 also.
12.4871.
If this was 5, still this will become 2.
No, Mr. The decimal place 5.
5 decimal places. Okay. If it was 5 decimal places, 1 2 3 4 5.
12.48717.
Actually, we'll also add one.
12.48717.
12.487117. Yes, correct. Okay.
Yeah.
Now let me come back
48717.
to the other questions quickly. But you understood the rounding, yes?
Yes.
Yeah.
So the answer will be 12.5. So no, because this was very important to tell. 12.5. Okay.
But Mister,
Mr. when
how do we understand that question?
Which question you did not understand?
No, I mean like when I read this question, what is the area of square? I will
explaining.
not understand.
I'm explaining now. What is the area of a square? If you have a square like this, which has 12.5 meter side, Adnan, what will be the area of the square? This multiplied by this.
Yes.
Halas, question finished. So in this
Yeah,
question,
that's it.
oh, you got 12.5 here and 12.5 here.
Oh, Mr.
Hidden messages, huh? This is hidden secret. Okay, so in this question, we have to find area of square. For that, we will do 12.5 square. Yani 12.5 multiplied by 12.5. And let me do in calculator quickly. You will get...
Yeah, Mr. 156.25.
156, yes, you will get. And what is the unit?
Meter square.
Meter square, very good.
Mr.
Adnan,
I don't know.
easy or difficult?
Easy.
Easy, okay. Quickly, I'm rushing
Mr.
because the Maghrib Azan is going to happen in few minutes. So that's why I want to rush. Okay, what is the volume of a cube? Now, a cube looks like this.
Oh, this is the thing I didn't understand.
Okay, now if it has 3.1 here and 3.1 here and 3.1 here, what will be the volume?
3.1 cube.
3.1.
3.1 cube. Yani multiply by 3 times by itself. 3.1 multiply by 3.1 multiply by 3.1. Yes.
9.3.
9.3. How 9.3? Are we adding?
5/2, Mr. I got.
Are we adding?
Yes, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1.
Are we adding or are we multiplying?
Mr. 9.6, 9.61 or 61.
How 9.61?
Wait, what I was doing?
29.7 is the answer.
Yeah, 29.7, yes, because 1, 1, 1 equal 1. Yeah, Mr. Easy.
Easy. You are giving me the answer 9.3 and then you are telling me easy. You are adding them.
I was only kidding with you.
So the answer will be 29.791
29.791
mm cube.
millimeter.
Who did not understand this question?
I understand.
Okay. The last question. Oh, not the last question.
It's
the second last.
Mr.
I mean,
I don't know
let me
why
solve
always.
quickly. What
teacher.
is the side of a square of area? Now,
Equal
area
12
is given.
Mr.
Area is given.
Can I
So
say?
side will be square root. So you will do this.
Yeah, a square root of 6.25 will be, what is the answer? 2.5 meter square. 2.5 meter square.
Not meter square, only meter. Because you are finding
Yeah,
side,
because
not
we
area.
did the square root. Yes.
Mr. I
Find
don't
it, yes,
understand now.
Explain,
Mr.
Muhammad
the
Ali,
square of
quickly.
Instead, if they say what is
Yeah.
the side of the square of volume, we will make a square like cube root.
Cube root.
Mr. Explain what? Question 9?
Explain to Adnan this question number 9.
Yeah, when it's when they give
You
the
can
area
explain
of
in
the
whatever
square,
language, but he has to understand. This is the main thing. He has to understand.
no, in English better. When the area is given and the side length, you have to get the side length. You have to get to bring the area and put it in a square root, and then you will get the square root, and the side length will be the answer of the square root.
Adnan, did you get or no?
No.
I think so. No.
Mr. He's
Who is a good teacher? Who is a good teacher?
Muhammad Samir is making Arab. Me قيس علاء.
He is making things complicated?
No.
Okay, Kaisala, explain to him what we did in question number 9.
So Adnan, you have to square root 6.25, and it will be the answer will be 2.5 m only. Easy.
What was that?
This is only the small definition of the question.
Mr. I will say, can I?
Explain.
Mr. The answer of question 10 is 50.
Okay. If they ask it about the side, that means that we have the area. So what we'll do, we will find the side. So if they ask about the side, we will make root, and because here it is area, so we'll make square root, and then after we make the square root, we will get 2.5.
Yeah, Mr. The same.
That's what
I got 50.
That's what I.
Yeah, here 50, Mr. 2 multiply 5 equal 10. 10 multiply 5 equal 50.
Who got 50 as the answer?
Me.
Mr. I got all
okay,
right.
Just I need 1 minute. Last minute I am finishing the call, and I'll just explain quickly what Adnan was asking. See, Adnan, you have a square whose area is already given. Okay, that means, are you listening?
Yes.
That means you have a square, its area is already given, this area, and they are asking what is the side. So for that you have to do square root. What side multiply by what side will give you 6.25? You have to do the square root. For example, if the area of a square is 16 centimeter square, how much will be this?
Yeah.
How much?
8.
How 8? 8 times 8? Are you doing like this?
Yeah.
Wrong. 4 times 4.
4.
Square root. Okay, that's why we did square root. Clear? Okay, I'll be leaving, and tomorrow inshallah I'll make the next optional class inshallah. Okay, and I'll send you this image, and from the image you have to write all the steps properly. Okay.
Bye bye.
Okay, bye, Mr.
Bye, Mr. Assalamu.